Before moving further in the course, it's very important to understand what's the difference between structured and unstructured data, because we would be working with lots of unstructured data throughout the duration of this course. So, a structured data, as the name suggests, is highly organized, and these are well formatted, and that's why they are easy to search in a relational DB. So some examples would be names, dates, stack info, purchase history, etc. So for example, if you have a data which comprises of the purchase history on some site, so it may be organized in like customer name, and then we can have date of purchase, and then product name, quantity, price, and so on. And here we can have user 1 or any other name, then date maybe 18th July, product ABC, quantity 2, price $100. Similarly for user 2. So we can see that there is a clear structure in this data, and it's well formatted. So if we want to search for, let's say I want that which products did user 10 purchase, then we can see, we can query in this database and we can find the row corresponding to user 1. So all the data associated with that user will be in that row. So we can easily query whatever data we want. So these are well structured and easy to work with. But most of the time we would be working with unstructured data in this course, and they do not have any predefined format. So that's why they are difficult to process, collect, and analyze. And pre-processing becomes very important here. So you will take some unstructured data and then try to find some structure in it. So do some pre-processing and try to convert it into structured data. And then work on this structured data. So some examples could be tweets of a user. So it can be very random. You cannot find any pattern in a tweet posted by the user. Similarly, most of the text data, video data, audio data, and other social media activities like Facebook posts, or where people post videos, images, and any other thing. So these may be very random. They can also share someone else's post. Then the images captured by surveillance imagery. These are all unstructured data, and we need to find some pattern in them and try to find out some structure in them, and then further we can move and apply it to our NLP applications. So that was a brief introduction about what's difference between structured and unstructured data. In the next video, we will try to do some reading of text data, which will be in somewhat unstructured form, and we will try to find some structure out of them. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.